Hello, good morning.
Good day, ma'am.
Can you introduce yourself?
My name is Johara Marciano. I'm 26 years old. I live in Sampaloc, Manila. I'm single.
How many brothers and sisters do you have?
I have one brother.
You are the?
I am the eldest.
Okay, do you have any experience in working abroad before as a domestic helper?
Yes, ma'am.
In which country?
In Hong Kong.
How many are them in the family?
Day 4 in the family.
How long did you stay in that employer?
2 years.
So you finished your contract with them?
Yes, ma'am.
What are your main duties in your previous employer?
Cooking, cleaning, ironing.
Why did you choose to work in Hong Kong?
Because they have high salary and I want to help my family.
Do you know how to cook some simple Chinese food?
Yes, ma'am.
Like,
steamed fish, steamed chicken.
are you willing to learn more?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you willing to take care of a newborn baby?
Yes, ma'am.
How about an elder person?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, what can you teach to your employer's children?
Reading, writing, and speak English.
Can you sing a nursery song?
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z.
Okay, thank you. Now, what kind of employer are you looking for?
Nice and understanding.
Are you afraid of dogs and cats?
No, ma'am.
So you're willing to take care of pets?
Yes, ma'am.
What can you say about yourself, your attitude?
I'm honest, kind, and patient.
Can you give a short message to your future employer so that they will hire you?
Ma'am, sir, I hope you give me a chance to be your helper in your family. I am a responsible and understanding.
Can you promise to follow the rules and regulations inside the house?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you promise to finish your 2 years contract?
Yes, ma'am.
Is that all?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, thank you.